Model, 65-plate Peugeot Bipper NEMO 1.3 HDi 75 professional long MOT body, blue, panel van mileage, 192679 MOT, 20 September 2024 engine, 1248 cc F13 DTE5 transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Error codes for MAF sensor nice easy plug-and-play repair does not affect the drive grin gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. EU status, Euro 5 HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 0